Pinabalik niya pa ako dito. So mga kabike, dito tayo sa Sirkulo. Anong makikita natin? Rural Rising Philippines. So, parang 500 pesos. 500 pesos na kuya? Tapos, parang pupunuin yung box.
Isang box po, kung halo-halo na po yung pipili.
Yeah, ito yung truck nila ng gulay. Kahit na ano yan, halo-halo daw. Meron silang, ano po, may broccoli, may repolyo, may sayote doon, may carrots, yun.
Kalabasa.
Kalamansi, meron din ako nakikita doon. Sibuyas. Tignan natin kung gaano kalaki yung box. Ayan. Siguro mga 1 foot. 1 foot siguro. 1 by 1 siguro.
Are you studying the strategy how to best fill the box?
And just trying to include in my vlog, sir.
Yeah. Everything that is made here goes back to the farmers. So we're helping farmers from everywhere.
So you're the owner, sir?
Yes, my name is Ace
Oh, nice to meet you,
of
sir.
Rural Rising. What's your name?
I'm Jed Servida.
Nice to meet you.
I'll include this one in my vlog. So.
Yes, yes.
What?
So all of
It's
these
fine.
are rescue vegetables. They're vegetables that we bought from farmers who cannot sell these vegetables in their home provinces.
Okay.
These broccolis are actually being thrown back.
So just helping the farmers
Yes.
to...
This is the propolis update.
Oh, nice.
Hello, hi, welcome. So, come over to Circulo and then see what we have. So it's a box full of everything you can fit. So if you've ever been to Wendy's and you had a salad all you can, you know you can have to make a strategy, right? Lalagyan mo ng cabbage to the side and then onions on top and you build it up.
Para masiksik siya.
You're welcome to do so. You can do your strategy to fill this box, but always remember, I'll be watching it.
Okay, sir. Thank you po for your time. Ito. 500 pesos. You can fill your box with different kinds of veggies. Ayan. Ito yung mga gulay. Oh. Ayan. Kuya. Shout out, kuya. Ang Rural Rising Philippines ay may layunin na makatulong sa ating mga magsasaka. Kung gusto nyong makisali sa kanilang layunin at may iba pa kayong gustong malamang detalye, pwede nyong bisitahin ang kanilang Facebook page na Rural Rising Philippines.